सो सब लोग अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे दीजिए पहले।
Hello, it's me, Kili. You can call me whatever you want. I'll be here listening.
एंड आइस भाई अपना लीजिए।
You can call me Ice Bite. Thank you.
मैंने तो आप
Kaze, it's your time, Kaze.
Hashtag save soil.
Let's fucking go. Save soil, dude. Dude, soil pollution is not a subject that is talked about enough. The way, like, the rate at which we are losing our topsoil. Holy
so
shit.
uh,
Scary.
Let's just change the
what is
topic. ऐसे startup, fuck startup, soil के बारे में बात करते हैं.
Why, we need a soil
मतलब
startup.
स्टार्टअप होना चाहिए, सबसे पहले मेरा क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज स्टार्टअप।
An initiative by a group of people to establish a conglomerate of some kind with a purpose of selling goods or services.
Actually,
ये
maybe a
देखो
startup can be defined as a business started by a young group of people looking to achieve common objectives.
For the intent with the intention of making money.
ऐसे most CBA की आंसर है ये.
स्टार्टअप
स्टार्टअप को हम लोग कह सकते हैं क्योंकि न्यू वे कोई प्रॉब्लम न्यू तरीके से सॉल्व कर रहा है, न्यू तरीके से मतलब पहचान कर रहा है, कुछ यूनिक है उसके अंदर, उस बिजनेस के अंदर।
I wouldn't agree to that. It can be an entrepreneur. You can see the definition you're putting it can be into entrepreneurship. Not
Okay, I
start.
have a question.
एंटरप्रेन्योर तो
Startup-
start करता है।
Okay, I have a question. This will help us define start with. Okay, if someone Bangalore opens a stationery slash grocery shop, did that person just create a startup? He employs him and a few friends of his who all pool their money together to start the shop. Is it a startup?
Yeah.
It's a startup, so it does not have to be something entirely new. It just has to be a joint venture.
Perfect. You can see yeah. Just to put an example like Maruti, somewhat like.
Okay, so using this example of a grocery store, what intention और इसका इस grocery store का क्या goal होना चाहिए that would qualify it as a startup? The goal to thrive or goal to expand?
Expand maybe.
So listen to me. I don't have the right answers here. I'm asking you guys. What do you guys think? Is survival an app?
नो, इसका मतलब ग्रोथ ही होएगा
Actually,
एज अ
if they're able to grow, that means that they're surviving in a competitive market.
Fair. That is a good. Yeah, that is a fair argument. So a growing pooling of resources with the intention of making money.
Can be said.
Okay. Okay. So we have defined startup. Now, what qualifies as success for a startup? Growth.
Fast growth, I
Yes.
think so. Startups
Okay. The
are
rate
mainly
of growth.
नॉट फास्ट ग्रोथ।
Limited choices on using their, not just going haywire and everywhere, just so that they have some stuff. Like for example, okay, so where I come from is oil, right? So do you see all the OPEC nations doing well when it comes to oil? No, Venezuela is getting screwed, even though they're having oil, and the inflation rate is very high. So if it comes to the Gulf nations, they're doing.
That's a big subject. We can't. Okay, go ahead.
No, my point is that you keep your choices limited and use it well. That's what I
Okay,
mean.
So a given amount of resources with using them to increase your money.
Correct.
Money.
Correct.
Okay.
Profits.
बट
Okay,
ये
so-
तो एक बिजनेस करता है ना, ये तो हर एक मतलब नॉर्मल कैजुअल बिजनेस करता है। स्टार्टअप
हाँ,
कुछ यूनिक को कह सकते हैं, मतलब कि कोई यूनिकनेस है बिजनेस के अंदर।
Okay, so
Uniqueness.
हम लोग startup का वो direction में very pitch your idea to the investors. Is that the direction we're taking?
Okay. Fair enough.
Yes. नहीं, is that the direction? Like you said, uniqueness. So it has to like, क्योंकि unique है, you need a unique idea without money. You're gonna need
I don't
investors.
think I don't think that startup make me unique. Actually, what's important is startup. So, how much scalable you can business to?
Yep,
And
100%.
The growth
recently startups
potential.
have been so much news just because of growth that they have been providing the investors to the whoever in those startups.
Growth potential. That is the
Yes,
criteria.
and actually, youngsters nowadays have been including new technologies in business, finding out new ways to do business, making use of internet for business. So I think that is the case for the fast rate of growth that the startups have achieved in recent times.
Okay, so okay, the utilization of resources जो कि available है, उसका use करके fast growth achieve करना, that is what is success is for startup.
Yeah, can say the optimal growth of resources. I know.
Okay, तो
Actually,
even
those are the
तुम्हारे
views
पास,
I'm asking
yeah,
you
go
guys
ahead.
that I correct just to ask those things actually.
I'm just setting up parameters here to like before the discussion starts. Like, what is a startup? What is success? What is failure? I'm just making parameters. Any other like questions? Anything that you would guys like to add?
Question or add
No,
some
any
point?
point, anything, any clarification about the definition that growth
Okay.
or success for a startup is using
For
your resources that you have for maximum.
yeah, for the difference between for any startup to attain its achieved goal is the internal management of a company. No matter how big the company, even if they had a potential growth, even if they did the starting few phase just good and well, but to maintain it, the consistency of company is inner management. Like how
So
you
that's going in like how success happens. We are just defining what is success.
okay.
Is money success? Is the number of people you employ success? Is the number of assets you own success? What is
Okay.
success?
ये तो
Okay.
डिपेंड करता है कि मतलब सामने वाला किस मेंटालिटी से सोचा है हर किसी के लिए
Okay,
डेफिनेशन अलग है सक्सेस की ना
okay. Then
At this point, there
what?
are many big
What
startups
is
like Paytm and Zomato which are not profitable, but they are so huge in valuations and that worldwide investors invest in them.
yeah, with the hopes of like getting returns like 5 years.
But they have been just constantly drowning and they have just been burning cash. No, not even a single rupee of profit they have produced in the
Yeah,
past
Uh,
2 years.
but for the case of Zomato, they are will be operating in hyperpure, and so people are betting on that. So it has like 20% upside and 80.
But
But still, yeah,
it is just a
they
bet.
are
Those
heavy
are
losses.
bets. Those are actually you can get predictions that Zomato will turn profitable at 2025 or 2027, but they're just predictions. No one actually knows what the market would be in 2025 or 2027, or how would Zomato be performing at that point of time. Like
Yeah,
credit is a huge example of how a startup is burning cash but not making profits out of it.
Guys, I would like to present an alternate view, right? So, even
Okay.
though our discussion was something else, but still, there's one point that I think a lot of people miss, and that point is the product of a startup, especially when it becomes public, right? The product is not what they created. Then the product becomes the stock value, right? As long as the people perceive a worth of that stock. For example, Tesla was not profitable for a long time. Even the last year that they were profitable because of trading in cryptocurrencies. I don't know if you guys know, but Elon Musk tweeted out a tweet saying doggy, and suddenly doggy coins rose. And same happened with Amazon. If you look at the long-term trajectory, in fact, Amazon invests every penny and more. It takes a lot of loans and invest everything back into Amazon for the growth. So it's a value of the stock becomes the product, and that's why everything becomes about you must have heard talks about why shareholders are so valuable, right? uh, it's all that. Why do you think the startup, the VCs and all invest in in a startup which will not even be profitable, assuming it will be profitable in 5 to 6 years? What is the return? How do they make money? They make money when a company goes public, right? So and sell their shares, or they retain the shares, but their value of the shares goes up. That's the product that they're selling. So anyway, but the discussion was, why do startups fail? So yeah, we should talk about
We are
that.
defining what is, and we are defining what is success for a startup. What is the opposite of failure? What is it? It is failing to achieve.
That's a good definition to have in mind in order to discuss the
So,
failure wala part.
so
Even
did like demonstrable growth of perceived value. That is success.
Actually,
to
success
get
I think that a startup has a good market presence and its product is highly perceived or used by the customers.
I'll give simple, very simple example. For a startup, they can anyone is trying to open a startup. If anyone questioned me, what example I would have given would be Singapore as a nation. Just to give a idea, is because Singapore was a country which even still their natural resources like nothing. The only way the country came up and everything is only by investing in people. Okay, and it has one of the highest and strongest capabilities and technological superiority around the world right now. Even though just like that, when it comes to startups in India, yes, there's so many uniqueness, there's so many ideas, there is so much happening, stocks, values, and all that. But why does it not run? Okay, the biggest reason is because they do not invest in people. And even when they invest in people, they do not see them as assets. They see them as like recurring liabilities. They're like, okay, अभी मैं करूँगा क्या? We'll get from that and this and that. Okay. I would say is that if a startup reach a certain perspective, then like certain stage, I would invest in human resources, because if you know how to manage your employees very well, and if you have a good strong agenda in your company, you can be huge. You can see, for example, a normal chai wala as well, when he has a small stall. If you see, there's a lot of good communications between them and here, and you see the employees are like the maybe three people. Okay, one is doing the normal goods. Okay, like where to get, how to get, and that stuff. One is the guy who makes it, and the one is like who sells it over there. So when they have three functions going on in between them, it's flowing like a water. And when that happens, then you can speak to the people and all. And stock market is a completely on people based way. If until and unless you're not a cryptocurrency thingy, and unless you're not some huge conglomerate, or which depends completely on stock exchange, because see, it's very simple. Everything, money equals to people, even they equals to liability as well. But if you know what you're doing with people management, and especially people, if you know how to invest in them, they can create wonders for you. If you do not know to do that, I'm sorry, you might go completely berserk. Even the case study of Amul, if you see, and yeah, one more thing, other than people, you can go for technology, because if you go to
But
Amul,
Amul is not a मतलब profitable company. वो company है नहीं, वो तो organization है.
no. I'm coming to the point. That's what I'm trying to tell is what Amul did was what Amul did. Other dairy companies didn't do that. They cut their, what do you say, producing capabilities. For example, 2009 में Amul ने like they invested in this company. No, sorry, they asked company to put their technology into their thing in IT and stuff. Like they develop it, and they invested around some crores, around 900 crores or something into that company, and that is IBM. What did IBM do is they made this kind of risk management kind of uh, what do you say, man? The service interface, where it's too easily to tow and process things around. Where when the pandemic came, Amul was the only company who did not cut their supply chain, who did not drop anything, and uski upar they even advertised twice the amount of what they usually do. यहाँ की फैक्टर क्या होता है? पीपल एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. That's how Amul was able to run all over India, even though there was the pandemic going. And nowadays,
That I'm so sorry to cut you off if I can. Right? Is that okay? I have just
yeah,
one. Sure. I just have one quick point to make. I think you are giving the wrong example because Amul is not a startup by any metric. Huh? It's much beyond a startup at this point. It's a well-established large player in the market. I don't think any player is as big as Amul in its category, right? So what we have to see is the definition of what a success is fairly simple. I think what's the mission statement of a startup, and did it succeed in fulfilling that mission statement? That's all the metric should be about success. And if it did not, it might be a failure. Now we have to assess if it's a partial failure or it's a complete failure. By the way, I own a startup. I've recently started a startup, and I talk to a lot of VCs and angel investors and startup co-founders, especially co-founders, other co-founders. And I
yes,
think what contributes to the startup failure is just one thing, which is not committing yourself to a proper process. Every time you see four guys in a room, they think that they can make something great. They're not able to become process compliant, and that fails. That's the result why they fail when king. And the other reason, which is one reason, is not able to sell your product. Maybe your product is flawed, or maybe you do not have the selling capacity. So those are the two things I encountered a lot. So
एज अ
yeah.
मार्केटिंग मतलब वो लोग मार्केटिंग नहीं कर पाते और
Marketing is different than selling. Huh? Selling is a function of marketing. Marketing is all about creating your brand so that you don't have to aggressively sell your company or the product of your company. Marketing becomes about the passively selling company. It to create you create maybe a product so good that it's organic. It organically reaches the customer. So marketing is all about uh, automating the process of selling.
close
The
to people, because
yeah,
it's mean what is the need of the simple.
sorry.
What is the need of the customer? You can just say that to a particular person, this pen is so amazing, this milk is so amazing, but what is he requiring? Is he required a pen to use it for something? For example, he needs maybe a paintbrush because he's a painter. Telling him a pen is pointless, right? So that's just it's a customer's need. So yeah, I agree to you what points you have mentioned. It just equals to people's need.
और
But
लाइफ फैक्टर एंड कॉस्टिंग भी तो इफेक्ट करती है मतलब कि अगर वो भी ना तो इस साथ फेल भी हो सकते हैं अगर वो हाई हो फेल हो सकते हैं
Price is yeah, just one point. Huh? If you're building a luxury brand, right, you do not have to worry about the price. Right? You have to worry about the marketing. You have to worry about the customers that are reaching out. No, like, a lot of times when a luxury what they do is just to sell more products, they reach to everyone, and they do exclusivity. They lose that glamour that people have thought about it in their minds, and that creates a lot of problems for the next. Word of mouth blogger. So it's it's not
बट
always
वो ज्यादा लोग मतलब कर सकते हैं ना मतलब वाइड टारगेट कर दें
that then brand value cheap हो जाएगी. The brand value comes from the nature of the customer. So
To maintain the exclusivity of these like Zara and these, they actually burn their packs so that not
I didn't know that.
wear the
Yeah, I've heard that Gucci and Louis Vuitton burn their actually dead stock or extra stock which is left with them.
Really?
That
सो एंड पूरे मार्केटिंग भी तो उस पर बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट भी करती है क्योंकि स्टार्टअप में नहीं किया गया मार्केटिंग के तो वो भी इफेक्ट करेगी ना एक तरीके से
man, marketing is important. It is, yes, but the elephant in the room, I think, is what do you give value is the most important thing. And thirdly, labor costing also, why it screws up. Matlab, they do everything, but they do not know how to maintain labor costs. They do not. You cannot just go and give certain person example, okay? Maybe one certain person was working in a very high costed place, and he has this very well reputation, and you think that okay, you're going to bring him into your company, it's going to create a huge thing. It cannot. It's all upon that's what I said. HRs and this and investing, checking what is going on. You cannot just bring any random person. He might be great there. He might be sitting in your place. So it's about labor costing and taking care of your employees and what you're going to do, and creating a very strong agenda in the corporation, because I see so many things, bro, like in the companies where they don't focus on this, and especially when you're growing every step of the way, if you're just going to keep limiting yourself by only thinking about where should we invest and what is the money and this it's important. I'm not saying no, but you need to first employee what is happening. If there's value, you come up. If you have things to be great, you don't need to be something different, this and that. No, you can just be even something very simple by giving out great things. Simplicity itself is very unique. So everyone needs to know that. That's what I feel. Not what other people.
Guys, I would like to ask you what you guys like. You guys are so interested in starts and all. So I'm just curious about what you guys do personally. If I'm allowed to ask a question in this event, just to set the context.
I actually am a student in class 12th. Just
Okay.
we're going to give an exam in May and June this time. So
Okay.
hopefully this year. And other than that, I'm a commerce stream student.
Right.
As my stream. So I'm actually into investing in finance, and I want to learn. I actually also belong from a business family, so my interests are in startups and all those things. So I just keep on searching those things, learning about these more and more, how much I could.
Yeah, it's awesome. That's awesome. Like, you're so young and you're all interested. What about Alex? What about the people?
If you mind, I
I'm
question.
also a 12th student.
Yeah, I know. But sorry, unknown gamer was saying something to me. Right?
Yeah, Rish, if you don't mind, I have a request from you.
Sure, sure.
Would you please drive something about startup and what are the problems that you faced and what you faced sort of your work and all?
Sure. Actually, my research is about building a community. Build a community regarding tech, and my interest in skills that are not given in college. You know, the interactions that you do encounter in college. What do you feel? What do you get in college? You get a systematic, theoretical approach to any topic, right? It's very
Yeah,
systematic, which is like 50 years old. The system is like 50 years old.
very basic kind of age.
Yeah, exactly. And but when you go out, you have no application for it. You know, TCS has to do so much to train those employees. It has to invest a lot. That's why Indian employees are so cheap. They're not paid very well. That's why Indian employees are not employable in companies abroad, because we are not worth it, guys. To be honest, we want to give you real life skills to give you all the interactions that you didn't had in college. You know, interactions matter a lot. Like, I don't know if you guys know, but a lot of my friends, they went abroad, and when they told me about their experiences, and they said it was a very people centric approach. Someone here said that company startup should be people centric, which is very nice actually. So it was very people centric. They forced the students to come in a community, sit down in a community, have discussions about topics such as this, but like in a much more complicated and structured manner. You know, this is just a random topic that we're discussing about, but it was in a much more structured manner. So we are building a platform for that. So in fact, if you guys are interested, do DM me, and we can opportunities you can have. We are just
Uh,
growing.
Isn't Blue Lawn doing kind of the same thing? Blue Lawn.
I've heard about them, and they're kind of doing the same thing, but our vision is much greater, and we are already working on the platform in a much better way. And yeah,
सो
uh,
यही तो एक और क्वेश्चन था मेरा कि मतलब स्टार्टअप में जो फेल होते हैं उसमें मतलब कि टीम में रॉन्ग टीम को चूज किया जाता है मतलब रॉन्ग पीपल्स को रॉन्ग प्लेस दिया जाता है, इंजीनियर्स को कह दिया जाएगा कुछ और करो, जो उनका काम है उसको नहीं दिया जाता।
It's very, yeah, that's also there. People they don't check on
You
what
know what? Like, that is actually true, but like I feel कि startup में इतने सारे काम होते हैं ना, you have to delegate more responsibilities because resources इतने कम होते हैं ना, it's very hard to manage that. Sorry to cut you between, Minato.
Fine,
Sorry.
fine.
So what else you guys do? I know from Adi. Who else told? I think it was you, Minato, right?
No, I didn't say anything.
Uh, it must be Kulil or David, right?
एंड
Yeah.
एक और प्रॉब्लम्स मतलब फेस करते हैं स्टार्टअप जो है, नेशनल डिजास्टर। अभी ये जो कोविड आया था उसमें कितने सारे स्टार्टअप फेल हो गए, जो ऑनलाइन स्टार्टअप बेचते हैं वो सारे मतलब ग्रो टू है, लेकिन जो ऑफलाइन थे वो सारे फेल हो गए। जैसे कुछ बसेस थे, कुछ फूड पांडास करके फिर वो भी फेल हो गए।
Yeah, the biggest example है इसका Nykaa for the success.
ऐसे में फेलियर की बात कर रहा हूँ कि बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप फेल भी हुए इस साल। नेक्स्ट
टाइम में वैसे एक बड़ा एग्जांपल जो मैं मानता हूँ वो मेरे हिसाब से एमबीए चाय वाले और चाय सुट्टा वाली दो ऐसे करके मैंने सुने हैं रेस्टोरेंट चेन कंपनीज है, ये काफी सक्सेसफुल है रिसेंट टाइम्स में।
Man, MBA Chaiwala is literally an amazing thing because see, I feel even learning so much MBAs and all the nonsense, he just did MBA one freaking कटोरा लेके गया इस बंदे ने, और क्या चाहिए इतना सिंपलिसिटी से लेके,
Yeah.
that's what I'm not telling
No, but
everyone go कटोरा लेके चलो कर लो. I'm not saying that. I'm just trying to say is that if you are trying to do something, why don't try from the basic? Just don't try to be someone. Even if you're trying to be someone, for example, two juggernauts aeronautic companies, Airbus and Boeing. Boeing was actually the one. Airbus thought of copying them. Unfortunately, they were not successful, but then they created their own versions. And when they wanted to create the biggest plane on Earth, okay, what did they do? They did not go and bring the best of the best scientists on this Earth. No, they just went, checked the literally, they literally checked how a freaking eagle flies. What does it do? Because it's a really huge bird. It's not some small bird. How does it? How is this such a huge animal is able to give that kind of lift and all that? And they just literally checked everything, and they literally created the biggest world. I think Boeing, Airbus. I forgot the name, but now they stopped it. The last one is Emirates to buy it. So it's all about simplicity and going back to the points. And the most worst case why it happened in COVID, why? Because people are not aware. They were not checking what is going to happen. They were just so into the moment, and especially a place India. I swear, if I come to India, I would never take the initiative to be so easily to um how do you say, like I would limit my I would really first limit to the people I'm going to sell it to. you know I would first know where I'm selling, what I'm selling, or what am I giving. Like I don't know the person who said about selling, so I would first see who I am selling it to. I'm not some music producer that I'm just going to produce something and it's going to be heard by all kind of people. No. So first you need to know किसको बेच रहे हो आप, what is your value, and
Target
with
market.
yeah, target market, and who are you selling it with, like your employees, even our part, even if I would have this thing, I would make sure that even the chota se chota, like even the smallest cleaner also will have a value. Because where I'm working, dude, you know most of the informations I get from the freaking T-boy. the T-boys, the drivers, where they're going here. I'm getting the information more than the higher management. I'm getting more information from these three people. Not because there's some jasus or something. The thing is, it's just how life is. Wherever they go, they see all these minute details, and most of the people on in big organization or entrepreneurs, they miss this point, and it just builds up and finished, especially in a very competitive market like India. Price competitiveness also, and living competitiveness of any kind of company, and this current situation, I think first you need to build with those points. That's how I think you can go, because man, COVID has literally effed up India. I'll be honest with it, because I had to get stuff from India. I work in a food sector, and even for me to get normal rice from India, it was so tough. And I'm like, what is this going on? So even sugar prices went even high, and I'm like, ये क्या हो रहा है? You know. So
Where
for
where do you work, Minato, if I may ask? Like not the company, but like which sector exactly?
I work in a food sector, like food and services, and F&B, you can see, food and beverages. I
Okay,
live in Kuwait. So
okay.
differences between Kuwait and India. Kuwait is like, because it's, of course, it's a rich country, and also if you want to do something, it's very easy. But the problem is there's a lot of national discrimination here.
Yeah.
Wait,
They
that's what you look like? Holy shit. You look completely different than I thought you would.
So national discrimination means, if for example an Indian walks by, until and unless you are not a rich Indian living in a very good neighborhood, it's which is very one or two, until you're not from there, you'll not face it. But mostly if you live anywhere in Kuwait, you will find this Kuwaitis, okay, when they come in front of you, trust me, dude, they'll treat you like dirt. The reason is, as you said, as you said, like previously, that when Indians go abroad and they are working very cheap, and this is it's because first, it's very few Indians who make it, like, to a very high rich places, and even if they provide quality, they do not connect with the present local people. Okay, for example, if I send any Indians to come in Kuwait and do something, and out of 100, no, it'll be pakka 80% will not know Arabic properly. Even if they know and learn Arabic, the problem is there is lot of cultural differences. So they're not aware of what they're doing and how. They're just going, ha, chalo yaar, guste ही." They don't get how to do it. But in the foreign country, it's different. I mean, foreign matlab kidhar? Europe and US and all, because there's awareness. But
You
in
know, I
India,
yeah.
tell
You
me.
know, I would disagree with you, Minato, on all these aspects. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you my reasons, huh? I don't
Okay.
think Indians are to blame here because 80 to 90% of the people who go to Kuwait, right, they're trapped by these immigration companies, right? They're promised better salaries, better stuff, and they don't know ki they have to invest in learning Arabic, right? Because
That's that's
they come from a
that's
very poor country, right?
then
And
I go with not how it is in Kuwait. Kuwait, if you come here in Kuwait, you will get very less immigration places. What you're talking about is only in Dubai or Qatar. It's not in Kuwait. Kuwait's a different ball game. Why? Because Kuwait's currency is so high. The
yeah,
the people in Kuwait itself, they know that they don't want to bring people here. They're trying to avoid Indians. That they made it so hard that even for a person, normal working dude, okay, to have a normal bank card, he needs to have salary above 1 lakh only to have a freaking bank card. If your salary is below 1 lakh, you cannot have bank card. So what point you just said, works Qatar, it works in Dubai, but not in Kuwait, because these people, they don't want Indians here. Either they
no,
want
what,
Arabic
what I'm
speaking people.
Yeah. What I'm saying is, Kina, that discrimination is not justified because you're not trying to adopt in a community, right? I'm saying there's no justification of that discrimination. You should not discriminate if the person doesn't know your language or has different ways of working things. You can just fire that person, but if you can't just discriminate against them. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that I'll agree in a proper moral conducted society. But unfortunately, if you know, here it's not like that. For example, in India, Indians have so much freedom. Here, it's not like that. It's a
I know,
different
yeah.
whole. It's like I'll tell you, it's very simple. Saudi Arabia, 100 before, not now. If you take it into 2014, 15, I'll take scenario. Now Saudi is changing a lot, but I'll give you because that time was the correct scenario to give a proper mindset. So when it comes to Saudi, 100% restrictions, 100% this and that. You cannot do anything. When it comes to Kuwait, it comes to 80%. Then when it comes to Qatar, it comes to 75, and Bahrain and Oman and Bahrain and Emirates, not Oman, sorry, Emirates will come down to 40. Okay, and Oman will come around the 60s. Why 40s? Dubai and Bahrain, because they're mostly like a very touristic places and they're quite open. Okay, but when it comes to Kuwait, no, you cannot do any business without a sponsor. But in Dubai, it's not like that. In Emirates, like Sharjah and all, there's free trade zones where you can do whatever you want. You just need to have a bit capital and finish. That's why you see a lot of business people coming from Dubai. It's just that here it's very closed society. Even media is very closed, and even when Indians come here, they think, "Oh, kya hai idhar? Kuch nahi hai idhar. Kya hai? Bas money is there." But actually things happen in the other perspective, and that is what? Language. I found this barrier, huge barrier. Why? Because I've been seeing Indians come here, talented dude, like crazy talented, but the only problem is they don't know the language, and it's not their issue. It's not their issue. But the people here, the people, they don't want to also, I mean, the local people, they don't want also to give this kind of opportunity. And I don't know why. I'm just finding it absurd, because if you see, there is this company, construction company, okay, and there was this Tamilian dude, he had researches, okay, completely attached, everything, proper research. And his salary was like, maybe if you take in Indian rupees, pakad lo 22 lakhs, okay, in a month. A same dude comes from UK, he has no research, nothing, उसको फुक्कट में 40 lakhs दे दिया. काहे के लिए समझ नहीं आता. Like, he doesn't have experience, he has just थोड़ा experience, just only he's come from Britain, he's given him more. So what happens is, it's sometimes the problem is even the local people, sometimes the problem is even our Indians, not because
No,
they are. Yeah,
but
tell
bro,
me.
there are actually people from either they may be some regional kind of discrimination was there, because the cultural discrimination is there. So I don't think that person from UK should get, without any specific knowledge or specialized skill, he's getting 40 lakhs. An Indian guy who has all kind of skills and knowledge, he's getting just 22 lakhs. How can this
That is
work?
that is discrimination, bro. That's what he's
That
No,
saying.
that is discrimination. I'm talking. That is discrimination. But the same guy from India, he's also having cultural differences from the people of Kuwait. But the person
No,
who's
but
coming from actually UK, he's also having cultural differences. But the religion just may be the same. So is this religion discrimination or what?
no, it's like this, even Arabs were colonized by the West, right? So they do have that colonized mentality like us, but they also have a sense of superiority because they are rich now, compared to
Yeah.
us. So, and also one more thing I wanted to point. I've seen this in Indians, right? Indians, especially coming from India, right? Because they grow up in a poor environment, that they're not very confident. They don't have the self confidence. They're not
Yeah, I
exposed
agree.
to a lot of things. So that contributes to that, timidness. They behave very timidly and they're very underconfident. So that needs to be developed in a society. It happens over time, but I think we are going in the right direction.
मैं भी स्टार्टअप के ऊपर बात कर रहे थे एंड मुझे अभी याद आया कि अब एक दूध वाला करके एक स्टार्टअप था इसमें 3,000 करोड़ के मतलब पॉइंट्स लगे थे तीनों फेल हो गया
Yes.
300 करोड़ मतलब उस स्टार्टअप का था फंड एंड दे फेल्ड आउट
So, what are your thoughts on Paytm? अभी पेटीएम के जैसे फाइनेंशियल चल रहा है ना. Anybody?
पेटीएम उस पर गवर्नमेंट
पेटीएम
का ये जो है
I think what the
actually
government, I think what the government did was established like a parameter, huh? If you take money from a Chinese you might get in trouble. So I think that's a good signaling for other startups as well. So,
actually they violated the terms and conditions that RBI has posed on payments bank uh, companies. So I think that was good. Paytm actually disobeyed the rules.
yeah.
Rather, I won't say it's a good investment at this point in time. If you consider to the stock market, the emotion of people is a negative for Paytm because it has been actually a constant destroyer of wealth since it listed in the stock market. Even Mr. Warren Buffett is also incurring loss in that stock.
I'm talking in the terms of like startup and how companies manage and things like that, not investing. Yeah, that's also an aspect.
Oh, sorry, bro,
बट
sorry.
इन्वेस्टमेंट भी तो एक मतलब होता है कि टर्म्स की तुम इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं कर रहे हो तो तुम्हारे चांसेस कम रहते हैं सर्वाइव करने के लिए.
Like 80 to 90% of the startups fail in the first 5 years.
मेनली मेरे को लगता है भाई जैसे स्टार्टअप्स में जो होता है कि स्टार्टअप्स पे आप प्रोडक्ट बनाते हो उस पे फोकस की प्रोडक्ट को आप कितना एनहांस कर पाओ और उसके बाद कि आप कस्टमर को कितनी अच्छी से अच्छी सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर सकते हो और कस्टमर से कितना अच्छा उस प्रोडक्ट को कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, वो शायद एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ होती है.
Of course. And
प्रोजेक्ट क्वालिटी पे लोग ध्यान नहीं देते.
बिकॉज रिसेंट टाइम्स में जैसे मैंने जो भी स्टार्टअप्स को देखा कि सक्सेसफुल हुए हैं या तो वो अपना ब्रांड नेम बना रहे हैं और ब्रांड नेम ऐसे कि वो अच्छी सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, अच्छी क्वालिटी प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं और कस्टमर्स उनसे कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हैं.
हाँ ये मैंने देखा है मतलब एक मामा एक कंपनी है ब्यूटी केयर में, वो भी बहुत अच्छा ग्रो की है. उसने पहले किड्स से स्टार्ट किए थे, मतलब छोटे बच्चों के प्रोडक्ट बनाने के बाद उन्होंने मेंस के मॉम्स के ऊपर बनाया, फिर उन्होंने बढ़ाते गए.
this thing, one time Steve Jobs also said, कि, like American companies focus on marketing more than the product quality, and Japanese actually don't even consider doing marketing thing like that, but they are famous in the market because of their quality. उनके ऊपर trust है. So he also like said this thing like for product quality.
I would actually agree with the Americans on this one. Like process is very much needed, as I said, huh? Like quality comes from a very well established process. There's this book I would suggest everyone to read, The High Performance Entrepreneur by Shubroto something. So, and
Okay.
yeah, but Americans, I think, are much better in marketing than Japanese, and they're much better at innovation. Japanese are what, 150 million roughly population में?
But
And
what I've seen in Japanese products is that they have perfection. Whatever they do perfectly.
true, but they don't have a
They
lot of
provide
products.
the
They're
they
conquered by
provide
the
a,
Americans as well.
but whatever they are into, they provide the best quality of the product that is available in the market.
Yeah, what I'm saying ki I think ultimately startup is about how much money you can and value you can deliver, right? They might be good in
Yeah.
one or two sectors, but in all the rest of the sectors, it's conquered by the Americans, not even Europeans. It's
Yeah.
conquered by
True,
Europe.
true.
So I think the net effect, America has like the upper hand.
Of course, it is very much the case, and also a lot of innovations and discoveries happened in America only.
Yeah.
Also, it is not solely because of startup culture or something like that. It's actually they also are very much into it. They invest a lot in research.
Yeah.
Okay, like you must have heard about DARPA, and
Oh
they
yeah.
actually invest a lot in research, and many of great technologies are invented by them only. Actually,
DARPA
if not invented, they actually initiate it or either fund it.
Fun fact, DARPA actually came out of a military research. They
Yeah,
wanted
yeah,
to
yeah.
create a messaging system between the military and all that. So that's how it came out. So.
It was established, I think, when the US first, sorry, when Russia lost their satellite the first time.
So I think we can establish that startup has like a multitude multi-layered reasons to fail. For example, one of them could be product market fit. The second could be bad sales or marketing. The third could be bad quality.
These days people don't just miss research and बस idea आया शुरू कर दिया काम.
Hmm.
They're very much motivated by various YouTube motivational videos.
Those annoy me so much, yeah. Those motivational videos, they don't give you real information. All they give you is like, they say कि हाँ बेटा तू भी कर सकता है बस. That's all they do, and it's very annoying with that
Behkawa
music.
type of thing. Behkawa
Yeah.
type of thing actually.
Exactly.
अंदर से तो आपको जगा दिया कि हाँ कुछ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन एक्चुअली फिर आप वो होता ना भाई गधे के तरीके कुछ भी लग जाते हो बस.
In startups, like the 90% thing is about execution,
Hmm.
and 10% is just about idea. Of course, idea matters, but actually, with where people fail is the execution. कभी टीम मैनेजमेंट गलती हो गई, कभी फाइनेंशियल में, कभी किसी में.
Yeah, I think best example is Apple. उन्होंने कितनी चीजें कॉपी की हैं.
Maybe
But
टेक
they came,
कंपनीज एक दूसरे को कॉपी करती रहती है कुछ
वो
प्रोडक्ट्स.
which book were you telling? Sorry to interfere.
sorry,
Which book were you actually suggesting?
it's the High Performance Entrepreneur by Shubroto Bakchi, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
It's a
you.
great book.
I'm also going to start going. Will read in a few days. A book by Peter Thiel. What was the name? 1021. Yeah,
Peter Thiel, right?
yeah. Anyone has read it?
It's on
Which book?
my
0.
021.
Yeah, by Peter Thiel.
No, I haven't.
I mean, I've heard it's a great book. You should check it out if interested in startups. Anyone wants to share anything? कुछ book पढ़ी हो, कुछ भी.
I just
मेरे को एक का ये लगता है कि सबसे ज्यादा कि इसमें कस्टमर्स को बहुत ज्यादा इग्नोर किया जाता है.
customer feedback बहुत important है.
बट दे
Yeah.
इग्नोर उनकी नीड्स. उनको बहुत ज्यादा इग्नोर किया जा रहा है जितने भी आज तक मैंने देखे फेल हुए.
Any example that's coming in your mind? इसका कोई case study?
इसका opposite मेरे पास है example.
Okay.
Yeah. Have you heard about FamPay?
Sorry.
FamPay. It's basically focused on teenagers. Okay. It provides you debit card for minors. Okay. You want to make them start using how to use money and things like that from early age. Just going such about them, you will know pretty well what are they about. So they have a pretty good community on Discord, and they have good communication with their customers. Basically, who are the teenagers, and they know the teachers back to social media. Right? They are very active presence on social media, do a lot of events, a lot of interaction between the customer and बहुत अच्छे से communication चलता है. तो you can see which चीज़ एक suggestion आता है, they just take it very seriously.
Yeah, I'm up to see many startups nowadays going to banking. Zomato ने कर लिया and everyone is going into banking वाला field. I think it's all don't have mastery in fintech, so don't quote me on that. But
Yeah, I'm also to understand much of fintech industry.
ब्लैकबेरी में भी मतलब अपने कस्टमर्स को एकदम इग्नोर करिए. उन्होंने कुछ इनोवेशन नहीं की और नोकिया में भी नहीं की तो दे आर फेल नाउडेज.
किसने
ब्लैकबेरी.
BlackBerry? Yeah. Oh yeah. What a failure. Yeah. कितना
Nokia,
nuts.
BlackBerry, both are big examples of that. Yahoo also can be considered one of those
दे आर
examples.
मतलब उन्होंने कस्टमर्स को इग्नोर किया. उन्होंने अपनी मतलब चलाने की कोशिश की एंड दे फेल आउट.
Yeah.
Of course, बड़ी से बड़ी कंपनियां फेल हुई हैं इस वजह से. बहुत बड़ी
Yahoo के पास अपॉर्चुनिटी थी गूगल को बाय करने की.
हाँ, या अरे ऐसे तो बहुत सारे एग्जांपल है, बहुत सारी कंपनीज के थे. आई थिंक शायद फेसबुक को भी बाय करने की थी किसी के पास, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर. अब मार्वल को बाय करने की सोनी के पास, but they just didn't.
Hmm.
And Disney entered. फिर उन्होंने मार्वल को लिया.
Actually, guys, I have a question for everyone. Like, which company? What is your favorite company? एक यूज करना है सबको.
Okay, that's
And why?
question.
And why? Sorry,
Mamaearth,
Mama. Interesting.
दे आर मतलब कि वो अपने कस्टमर को ज़्यादा वैल्यू देते हैं। वो लोग
आपने
उनकी
यूज किया?
इज्जत से यस, मैं यूज़ करता हूँ।
And कैसा है उनका प्रोडक्ट्स? मैंने कभी यूज नहीं किया इसका.
दे आर नॉन टॉक्सिक, मतलब उनमें कोई भी केमिकल्स नहीं रहते हार्मफुल।
Hmm.
दे आर उनके स्टेटस हाई रहते हैं एकदम।
I
क्योंकि
actually got
जितने
to
भी
know.
अदर
Yeah.
अदर कंपनीज को देखो, वो लोग ये नहीं देखते कि उसमें कितने हार्मफुल केमिकल्स हैं।
Yeah.
दे मेक फॉर एज अ ह्यूमन यूनियन मामाअर्थ
मतलब
स्टैंडर्ड।
standards बहुत high है product.
हाँ,
I actually got to know about them on Shark Tank. मैंने try नहीं किया, but I definitely want to. Yeah. उनका पता नहीं क्यों marketing. I don't think it's that good or something. I don't know how they became $1 billion.
I guess शिल्पा शेट्टी शायद करती है ना एडवर्टाइज उसका.
यस।
मैंने देखा नहीं यार
हाँ.
उनका ad या कुछ.
मैं भी एक्चुअली नहीं जानता था इस कंपनी को।
क्या?
बाकी जो शार्क टैंक भी कंपनीज आई उनका मेरे को एक्चुअली सबका नेम पता है, लेकिन इकलौती ये कंपनीज को मैं एग्जैक्टली नहीं जानता हूँ क्या है कैसे है।
Exactly
बाकी
same.
के बाकी के कभी ना कभी ऐड देखे, जैसे लेंस कार्ड था, शादी.com था, वो सबके एड्स आते थे। बोट था, बोट तो एक्चुअली अगर आप मतलब जैसे यंग जनरेशन को पता है कि ईयरफोन
Yeah.
उन सब चीजों की काफी रहती है हाइप, तो उस हाइप की वजह से आई थिंक बोट का पता था, कहीं ना कहीं नेम है एक्चुअली मार्केट में।
So आदि आपका favorite company है Mamaearth because
मामाअर्थ
product बहुत high quality के हैं and without chemicals. Fair enough. What about other people? Minato, Minato, Unknown Gamer, and Sevak.
मोस्ट प्रोबब्ली आई वुड से एप्पल,
Okay. Why?
बिकॉज दे हैव जस्ट ओवर द इयर्स जो ब्रांड लॉयल्टी क्रिएट करती है, कोई भी कंपनी हो, कैसी भी फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन हो, लेकिन एप्पल एक ऐसी कंपनी है जिसका ब्रांड लॉयल्टी इतना स्ट्रांग है कि उसको ऑटोमेटिकली सेल्स रहेंगी ही रहेंगी कांस्टेंट।
Okay.
क्योंकि एक
आप इसको कंज्यूमर के पॉइंट से नहीं देख के आप उसको एज अ मतलब
कंपनी पॉइंट, कंज्यूमर कंज्यूमर तभी ब्रांड को लॉयल बनेगा जब कंपनी उसको वैल्यू ऐड करेगी कहीं ना कहीं। सो
या
किसी ब्रांड को ब्रांड लॉयल्टी तभी मिलती है जब वो कंज्यूमर को वो चीज ऐसा सेटिस्फेक्शन देती है जो कोई और ब्रांड ना दे पाए। और एप्पल एग्जैक्टली वही कर रहा है कि वो हाई क्वालिटी सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर रहा है। डेफिनेटली वो एक्स्ट्रा अपने प्रोडक्ट पे प्रीमियम भी चार्ज करते हैं जो जिस प्राइसेस पे प्रोवाइड करते हैं, बट कस्टमर्स एट द एंड ऑफ द डे जब एक बार कोई एप्पल पे स्विच कर लेता है एंड्रॉइड से iOS पे, तो मैंने उसको देखा नहीं कि वो वापस एंड्रॉइड पे आए।
यार मैं उसका ऑपोजिट एग्जांपल हूँ बट मेरे को एप्पल एकदम
हाँ,
नहीं पसंद है. बहुत कम ऐसे
मेरे
मिलेंगे.
को नहीं, एप्पल एज अ मतलब कंपनी, एज अ ब्रांड नहीं, एज अ कंपनी में देख रहा हूँ उसको। अब एज अ ब्रांड तो अगर आपको अपनी लाइफस्टाइल में अपग्रेड और शो ऑफ के लिए चाहिए तो वो बात अलग है। इंडिया में जो सिग्निफाई करता है एप्पल,
Yes, it's a class symbol. बाहर में it's a class
या
symbol. It's a status symbol.
मतलब पर्सनली उसको एक्वायर करने में, जैसे मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट और फाइनेंस के ऊपर मैं स्टडी करता हूँ भाई, तो प्रॉपरली मैं बोलूँ तो मैं अपने आप को उस कांस्टेंट लाइफस्टाइल अपग्रेड पे नहीं लाना चाहूंगा। बिकॉज अगर उस लेवल पे आता हूँ तो मैं एक्चुअली वो एक ऐसा एसेट है जो मुझे कोई वैल्यू ऐड नहीं कर रहा मेरे को। ये जब तक मेरे पास उस लेवल का इनकम ना हो कि हाँ मैं अफोर्ड करूँ उसको, यस आई ओन 10 to 20 करोड़, तो वो मेरे इनकम में हार्डली कुछ वैल्यू करेगा, 0.5% होगा मेरी इनकम का।
Fair enough. What about you, Minato and Seva?
When it comes to branding, I'll agree to him that the Android thing, because I used to use Android for a very long time. Like, matlab, I started using Android maybe 2011, and then I switched completely in 2019, 18 में through iPhone 6s and all that. बाद
So,
में and I was like, इतना छोटा phone, but its ecosystem is really amazing. Even though people, whenever I checked in here in Kuwait, they had iPhones, but they never used what do you say, iMessages or i chat and all that. They don't use that, and I'm like, क्यों भाई? Why don't you not use it? They're not aware of it. It's just
yeah.
a brand. Okay, they don't know what is happening, but still, I'm like, why? But then I understood that the ecosystem is far greater, far greater. What is the thing is, so creating a brand value, if you want the value to come up, it's very important to see what can your consumer not only benefit monetary perspective, but see in real life value adding thing. Like Steve Jobs, when he created the first iPod, only the freaking what do you say, the Walkman, it can just take some songs and that and this. What he did was, even though he had the technology to store a lot of music, but still what value could he give? And the value was the ecosystem of iTunes. When iTunes came, it revolutionized the music industry. Now even though he thinking that okay fine, there's ecosystem or kya, then he understood that okay, fine, I'll do one thing. I will sign up artists with their albums straight to the this thing, rather than going to the record labels.
So your
So,
favorite, yeah,
so that is where he added the value. What value will you get? Even others could do the same thing. Okay, Sony was also trying, but did not fly up. What did he did was he added value, and that value is if a consumer purchases something, okay, like from iTunes or something, it is straight away linked to the artist, which is very hard back then because you had to buy CDs rather than just having an MP4 player. So it was something different and simple. So it's all just what the consumer, what value they're going to get. That's how you get your brand. You know what people say? Oh, brand value कैसे करना है? क्या है? It's very simple, man. You focus on the consumer's needs and the quality you can give out. Executing, because you can plan as much as you want. If you can do not know how to execute your services which you're providing, end of the day you're going to be the loser and nothing else.
yeah. So I think your favorite company is also Apple, right? Uh,
Yes,
reason,
I have
yeah,
become.
reason being the product and the ecosystem, right?
Yeah, I was got smacked when I got to experience it. I did not
Oh,
expect even in other brands. The only thing is, I wished Apple could make it more cheaper in India, but
mm,
Apple to keep it the normal standard everywhere, irrespective of their this thing. So yeah, because I feel if it was cheaper, I think India would be the biggest you know
they're
purchasing
even
power.
making they're even making the new iPhones in India now. So
Yeah, transitioning because China is effed up now when it comes to labor cost. Because before, they could do it in $98. Now that the same labor is costing 200 to $180 for per labor to create it. So it's
yeah,
getting expensive. So
Mhm.
what about you?
Well, yeah, I don't have any specific company as my favorite or top. I just um, see. I can just give a few name of the companies. Let's say I like Disney a lot um, because of their basically the content they are providing, the thing they are doing. Very, I think it's creative because I like creativity and things like that.
Yeah,
Also, uh, I would like to say Reliance is also very. I mean, these companies which are very innovative and very alert. I mean, they're going with the time. Okay, they're just not sticking to something and पुराने ही तरीके से सब कर रहे हैं. Like take example of Reliance. They're understanding the market. They're understanding कि अब क्या होगा आगे, and according to that, they're taking decisions and very big things that they're planning out and actually implementing in real life. So Reliance is also a great company, and many new startups in this age. Modern age startups are very innovative and have great environment. Also, like Google भी बहुत ही सही. Like if you see just their products and their, I mean उनका market capitalization देखो कितना अलग अलग तरह से उन्होंने सब चीज़ों को किया है. uh, Also, not specifically companies. आजकल companies are just doing what is they're acquiring startups. Okay, like Amazon के कितने सारे acquisitions हैं. If you just go to, I mean, I can share a diagram I got a few days before. तो उन लोग ने इतना ज़्यादा acquisitions किया है कि they are just अब उसमें भी एक स्ट्रैटेजी लगती है कि किस कंपनी को एक्वायर करना है. सो आई गेस आई मीन क्रेडिट गोज टू द कंपनी ओनली, टू द डिसीजन मेकर्स. सो इसमें भी लाइक एक्विजिशन में किस हिसाब से एक्ट करना है. These companies are great like Google and Amazon. And talking about modern day startups like Discord, अभी जो हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, so उनका भी अगर आप वहाँ पे भी उनकी एक्टिविटी देखेंगे like YouTube पे, so उनका जो environment है, उनके जो वो है, वो सब बहुत ही सही लगता है. At least they show that they are very happy, very good environment they are having.
Yeah.
So these are a few companies. I don't have any specific company that's my most favorite.
Yeah, I would have to say it's Tesla for me, huh? Just because of the innovation. I love that guy. And
Yeah, that too. Elon Musk, yeah, a lot of innovations and very. I mean, I love
Elon Musk, I
thinking.
believe, is actually adding value to the environment, to the earth.
Yeah,
yeah,
of course.
and
He's
such an
actually
innovative guy.
he's just trying to protect earth actually from pollution, from various things which are actually harming earth.
You know, I think he did everything right. Building a community, that hype that Apple had. Okay, he did the luxury wala segment be right. He did very conscious, planet conscious, and all that. So yeah, I think he did everything right. Yeah, he's going into AI. He's going into
Yeah,
you know,
that is what I love, because he's stepping into all of those fields which are going to be very big in the future and
yeah,
actually have value. Something like Open AI ho gaya, and
and
what
his
else?
vision. Yeah, his vision is
Solar,
like literally out of this earth. So
yeah, Solar. What was the name? Solar. What the solar company?
अच्छा,
Elon Musk.
yeah, I forgot. Solar panels जो बनाती थी, right?
Yeah, बनाती है कि.
It's actually failing very badly. So
Oh, and many fields are there actually उसमें तो.
hmm. So I think we can say that key this discussion says that these are the things that companies did right in a massive way. We should focus usme ki na that's something that startups might have not done nicely. That's why they failed.
Yeah. And many of the videos of Steve Jobs, पुराने उनके videos, they are also very informational and unique. Like एक कम जैसे एप्पल की बात ही कर रहे हैं, तो उनके फाउंडर का क्या विजन था, वो भी
Yeah.
जानने में बहुत ही हेल्प मिलती है.
Actually, Steve Wozniak was the real founder, but yeah.
Yeah, of course, I'm not saying that. I mean, in the perspective of vision and managing the company, I mean, Steve Wozniak भले ही teach the
Steve Wozniak
technology
actually
sector on.
brilliant in just coding and making things, making technology, developing technology. And Steve Jobs was actually brilliant in designing products and marketing them, I
Yeah,
believe so.
that's was it. They're master in their own fields, and because this thing is not about technology but about startups
And
and
actually,
marketing. That's why I'm
if
saying example of
any
Steve Jobs.
if any both of those persons would have not been in Apple, then Apple would not have been what we
Yeah.
see today.
Yeah,
Because
guys, I would have to leave, take a leave. But it was like an amazing conversation. I'm so sorry, Adi.
यस अभी टाइम हो ही गया खत्म होने का करने
Okay.
का.
Please do reach out, guys, if you want to. Huh? Yeah.
Thank you, please. Thank you everyone for joining.
thanks for organizing the
Thank
event.
you, Rish. Thank you for sharing your experiences. It was great interacting with you.
Thanks, bro. Thanks. Same here.
Goodbye. Take care.